Dharavi, Asia's largest slum, spread over 2.5 square kilometers with over 7 lakh people crammed up together. 8 to 10 people living in 10 by 10 square feet hutments, one next to the other.
First coronavirus positive case has been confirmed in Dharavi.
The first case in Dharavi appeared on 1st April. Around 12:31 p.m. we got a call that one person has been detected in Dharavi. Our team rushed to his house. We prepared a lot for any exam, and when we go to that particular exam, none of the question is from the syllabus. So that was the actually feeling at that time.
In a congested place like Dharavi, where 70% of the population relies on just 450 community toilets, roughly 112 people per toilet seat, universal guidelines such as social distancing or contact tracing were of no use. The first patient himself had come in contact with 70 others in a day or two. Kiran Digavkar, Assistant Commissioner G North Ward, Dharavi, and his team of medical officers, along with the Mumbai police, led the fight back, now known as the Dharavi model.
There are 350 clinics in Dharavi. They came and they said, sir, we are completely sitting idle. We are not allowed to consult anyone. It is a very unfair being a doctor to sit at home and do nothing. Many people are calling us for the help and all. So I said, why not? We opted for chasing the virus instead of becoming reactive. We started arranging fever camps in the area. The only intention was timely separation of these people from the community.
A network of COVID care centers was set up, CCC-1 for quarantining asymptomatic family members and CCC-2 for treating positive patients. Depending upon the severity of the case, patients were shifted to a DCHC or a DCH. These were dedicated COVID hospitals that provided oxygen and ventilator support respectively to the patients. Those quarantined at CCC-1 were tested regularly, and if found negative, they were shifted back home with their houses sealed off for 14 days.
Many people used to argue with us that no, we will not come. So there is the role of police as well. The police used to accompany us, the police used to come and then make sure that the area has been contained. People have been shifted from there to quarantine center.
But the cases were still sharply rising, and the frontline warriors of the BMC were also not spared by the pandemic.
One of my inspector who was distributing food in Dharavi got infected and died as well. And that was a shocking moment for entire staff, my staff G North Ward. And few of them were literally crying that sir, hum mar jayenge karke.
Despite losing a few of their own personnel, the team worked overtime fighting the pandemic. They set up temporary hospitals and took charge of private nursing homes to ensure bed availability for critical patients. At the same time, community help was also pouring in.
I got a message, hi, I am Ajay Devgan, can we talk? And I thought why Ajay Devgan should message me like that? It must be something prank or something. But when I call him immediately, he said, sir, how is the situation in Dharavi? So I explained him things are like this and not as he said, how can I help you? So I said, you can give some grocery packets or food packets, we will help you to distribute. So bolte, sir, grocery packets and all to sab karte sir, anything larger I can do. So I said, we are constructing a field hospital in the area and you can fund for the oxygen supply because oxygen is the main need right now. He immediately given his consent, sir, you let me know which is the BMC account and we will immediately transfer the fund and please get all oxygen supply fixed. We never bought anything like mask, sanitizer, thermal scanner, oximeter, oxygen concentrators, BiPAC machines, everything was donated by the people.
A glimmer of hope came in the third week of May 2020. The rate of new cases went down and continued to decline going into June.
The organization like BMC or a municipal organization, we are more immune to criticism and everybody shouting on us, let it be potholes, let it be rains and floods and all. And suddenly we got appreciation. This was the great opportunity for any government officer or any organization to change or entirely change the image in public. This pandemic has taught us that there is nothing like planned life, and there are many plans of Almighty as well for you, and you have to face at that time, and your intent and your positivity and your proactiveness only actually help at during that time.
As of 24th February 2021, Dharavi recorded a total of 4,041 cases. The cases once again started rising in April as India witnessed a ferocious second wave. On 8th April 2021, Dharavi recorded a peak of 99 cases in a day. As of 10th May, this has been brought down to 9. The BMC team continues the fight back.